Welcome back to Notre Dame Day, everyone. I'm Tricia Sloma, and we are now joined by Connor Casey, Lindsey Wurth, and Professor Martin Barron from Notre Dame's Sports Analytics Club. This is a group where students take their love of sports and then combine it with data, coding, and real-world analysis, even working directly with Notre Dame varsity teams to help improve performance and strategy. It's where sports meet science in a really exciting and cool way. So thank you all for being here. I am so intrigued by all of this. So let's get right to it. Connor, I'm going to start with you. For people who are watching and they love sports, but they don't know much about analytics, what exactly is sports analytics? What do you do here?
Yeah, it's a great question. Well, thank you for having us. So sports analytics fundamentally is utilizing data and math to inform decisions. So if you think about Moneyball, that story of the Oakland A's,
right,
looking at like undervalued statistics such as on-base percentage to inform who they were going to field to try to compete with those big teams like the Yankees. And that's kind of just a small piece of what we do as a club. Our signature component is sports analytics, where we offer students the opportunity to work with 12 teams here on campus. This is real work they're doing with real deadlines to meet. It's not like a classroom operation. We also have industry partnerships with the likes of USA Flag Football. So we're working with them currently as they prepare for the Olympics. And then on the other end of the club, it's just kind of a general sports club. We bring in guest speakers from throughout the sports industry, whether you're a scout, data scientist, president of an MLS team, you name it. So it's a super cool way for students to dip their toes into the world of sports. And at the same time, we just advertise as many opportunities as we can, because the goal throughout everything we do is to make Notre Dame the target sports school for employers nationwide.
Yeah, and you're helping the teams too. So Lindsey, one of the coolest parts of the club is that students are actually working with Notre Dame varsity players and coaches, helping with performance analysis. Explain that and how important that has become to the success of Irish teams.
Yeah, of course. Like Connor mentioned, we have 12 varsity teams that we're working with. So currently one of our really cool projects is with baseball. So we're working with the baseball team. We're making pregame, postgame reports, scouting reports. So that's more in season, and out of season, we're doing like coaching requests. So using MLB data, public data, and creating anything that they want so that we can help improve their performance.
Oh, that's got to be so fun. But here's the thing. You can't just be a fan and join this club, right? You have to be in the know of what you're looking for. Okay, so professor time. We got to ask you, you're using all the cool tools.
Yes.
Things like, okay, now I'm going to act like I know what I'm talking about here. Python, R, and Tableau. How did I do?
Great.
Perfect.
Okay, well, okay, these are really advanced programs, but how do people get involved if they're new to coding, if they're new to analytics?
So this is one of the brilliant parts of the club, in my experience, is we will have students who will join in their first week of freshman year. And they'll come in, they'll be brilliant, of course, because they're Notre Dame students.
Right.
But they won't have the experience with these. But they can get involved, they can participate in the scouting reports, the interpretation of the data right away, and we build them in that way. And then one of the great parts of the club has been the mentorship that happens outside the classroom. So team leads will bring their members along over the years, and that's always happened informally. And now we've actually have a series of student-run tutorials that take place over the year to teach them the key skills, which they'll then use later in their classes.
How many kids do you have in this club?
There's about 600 on our email list, which obviously we're not getting all 600, but the goal is just we're exposing students to opportunities in sports and doing so.
Well, yeah. Okay, so Professor Barron, what makes sports analytics such a valuable learning experience? Because I got to imagine this is giving these kids a much wider view of sports at Notre Dame. They're learning about sports that they may have never been cheering for or been interested in before, and now they suddenly are.
Suddenly, so that's one of the great components of it. The natural interest in sports is there, and then of course we all want Notre Dame to win, regardless of what sport it is. So they're able to work on something they're passionate about, develop their skills, and then whether they go into sports analytics as a career, or they go into consulting, some other STEM degree area, the skills are the same.
Yeah.
So what they have learned throughout their time working with the club really is transferable everywhere. And then a key component is the communication, right? How do we communicate our results of our analytics to people, which is invaluable in business? And they get experience doing that with the teams, or say the performance department here led by John Waggle, who's brilliant as well. So he builds in, we deal with him as a club. So they get phenomenal experience all around that sets them up for success really of any area they want to work in.
Well, give me an example or two of how you've helped. What's something that you have personally been maybe invested in, your mind and your heart, that you said, hey, I made a difference?
Oh, yeah. I think there's a couple. I guess I can start with our men's lacrosse analytics team. So in spring of 2023, probably May, we won the national championship.
Of course.
Obviously. We did it again the next year. And a fun fact is that those 2 years were the first 2 years of our men's lacrosse analytics team as a club. And so we can't say correlation is causation. That's kind of what we're working towards, is that causation.
Right?
Our team did work well over the summer, going into games, individually tagging the data. So like super tedious, but they did the work, did the analytics, provided it to coaches, and we hope it made a difference.
And Lindsey, you're a sophomore. What are you hoping to follow this year?
Hopefully, we're just keep trying to grow the club. We currently did our first ever sports analytics trek. So we visited the White Sox and the Cubs. We were able to talk to professionals. So it was really amazing. But we're hoping to do that this time in the fall and hoping the spring to keep continuing. So we're just looking towards the future.
Good luck. Good luck to all of you. I mean, this is just another cool thing that's going on right here at the University of Notre Dame.